Morning folks, Shane Timmons with Guarantee RV, looking at the Chaparral 285. Very nice compact unit. It's a mid-profile coach, and what that means is it's not quite as tall as your full-time or live-in coaches. A little sleeker performance, a little lighter weight, and a little easier to handle. A lot less wind drag. First, I'd like to point out this is capable of being pulled by a short bed truck and not having to have a sliding hitch. So what that means is you don't have to spend a bunch of money on the hitch. You can do a regular hitch in a short bed truck. It's a newer design. Got storage underneath here. It's got the Lippert hitch on there. Back up underneath here, it's really not prepped for any kind of a generator to go in there. That's your battery packs, a little extra storage room. Got your propane tank. You got one on both sides. Real easy to access. Magnet, optional. Got a nice big pass through here. So plenty of storage, carpeted, finished off. Really easy to use. I want to step back here real quick, show you this one has an outside kitchen. Got the slide out spot for a grill. Prep area, refrigerator, and in this one they even put a big screen TV. So they call it glamping. You'll go out, you set everything up, and you can spend a lot of time outside doing what you like to do versus being stuck inside. Anyway, come on in. So this is a rear living setup in a fifth wheel. And you got your sofa in the back with the big outside lights. That's the nice thing about the rear living is you got plenty of windows, plenty of natural lighting. You can kind of put the picture frame up to where you want it. You got the opposing reclining chairs. Also, that turns into a mattress, so you have a spot to sleep. You got two super slide outs here, and the opposing chairs are directly against the big screen TV. One thing I like to point out about the fireplace is it's just not a decoration. It's actually a very functional source of heat. They use this 110 only. So your propane is going to heat the coach through the floorboard. That's propane derivative. If you're in a park, you can plug this in and it'll do the same job. Just saves you a little bit of propane. You have AC that's ducted. You got vents all throughout the coach. So you can, this access is all the way to the front, so it circulates evenly, saves a lot of power that way. Very well insulated. We've gone to this new foil that keeps the air and heat same temperature, keeps the air and heat outside. So a very, very well insulated unit. Got a pantry on this guy. Everybody's always looking for as much storage space as they can find. Got a full 8 cubic foot refrigerator. This is the Dometic. Center island with Corian. You got 2 separate tubs of stainless steel, which is really nice. Much better than the plastic, I think. Easier to keep clean. Table and chairs with a leaf. Come on upstairs. So this has Jack and Jill or pass-through bathroom, so you have access from both sides. It really allows you to have some privacy at night. Wardrobe slide out. So this is in the third slide out here. So you got plenty of storage. Hanging closet. Look in there. Queen size walk around bed with storage underneath. That's your Sure Power cord. So we do provide a lot of the accessories on delivery. We even give you a little gift certificate to go down and do some shopping at our store. You got outlets on both sides. This one here has got the Spot for a nightstand, USB plug-ins. That's your wardrobe side there. Anyway, great coach, very affordable. If you're not looking to spend a bunch of money and get a very close to full-time RV, this is a good way to go. My name's Shane Timmons. If you have any more questions or you'd like to set up a time to look at one of these, I've got multiple floor plans. We're the only dealer in Oregon that actually carries this lineup because we do so well with them. We have kind of exclusive rights. Look me up, 503-707-2393.